everyone, good morning. This is BK, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you to a hidden paradise in Mizoram. This is the Vaipuanpho Lungpher Waterfall, located just 20 kilometers from Aizawl city, right alongside the Reiek road. Near the village of Ailawng. Sunrise, first view of the waterfall, and take my word for it, the moment you lay eyes on this scene, it will feel completely surreal. Nestled amidst lush green forests, this waterfall cascades down from a towering height, and for precisely this reason, it remains one of the most tranquil and pristine places I have ever visited.